Is it a good idea to invest in compound crypto? Find out why compound crypto is falling. Will it make up for its losses, or is it dead? According to our compound coin cost forecast 2025 based on our comp cost expectation 2030, the token's highest price is expected to be 78.78, and its lowest price is expected to be 32.43. The highest value for comp digital currency is expected to be 117.87. According to our compound coin cost forecast 2025, based on our comp cost expectation 2030, the token's normal price may be around 300.70 toward the end of the forecast period. What is complex encryption? Blockchains were made based on a formula that was mostly aimed at making a standard that could deal with the escape clauses in the getting and lending of government-issued money, even though they're not really about that. Say a few answers to questions about borrowing and lending. Huge exchange fees, a lack of transparency, and limited liquidity are all big problems in the field of maid stages. Bitcoin and the Ethereum organization didn't do anything to solve these problems. The design is an algorithmic independent loan fee standard that engineers can use to make a wide range of open financial apps. Electronic money lake combinations have gradually into popular consciousness and gained traction. Compound Comp is an IRC-20 resource that engages local compound convention management. The compound's entire system is based on zero revelation proof, thus permitting numerical consistency of the entire exchange methodology, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party engaged in the exchange, putting the power eventually in the possession of the client. Compound has standard update plans, and that implies this convention is adaptable to meet the fluctuating use cases of today as well as the unexpected use cases of tomorrow. What distinguishes Compound from its rivals, such as Bitcoin and others, is that the direction is integrated into the blockchain itself. And its open lending stage allows people to make interest on their balance of upheld Ethereum tokens or take out an obtained credit. The administration of the Compound's people group separates it from different conventions. The Compound is also successfully associated with reshaping regulation and conformity with inventive business principles. Testing the ongoing environment group Compound comprehends that the full capacity of blockchain can be outfit only when the central system is set up to make this progressive innovation a blessing from heaven. In April 2022, the comp cost swapped around the 171 mark. However, the token met enormous opposition beginning there and continued swapping the declining course. It even got to 28 in June, however later recovered slightly and is currently exchanging around 36. Commencing about 2023. In light of our rivalry, the cost first had a vertical swing and is now unifying in a thin reach. A drawn-out increment forecast is not normal. The long-term end cost projection is 6.569. And the compound cost is expected to hit 37.458 by the beginning of December 2023. According to Intensify cost expectation, the average most extreme cost is 48.060, leasing prices 32.681 by the end of 2025. It might be worth about 38.448. Compound Comp has a bright future. According to our comp estimates, the currency might hit 80.27 by the end of 2023 and cross 166.86 by the end of 2026. It would not be a stretch to say that compound costs might overcome all obstacles and survive daily adversity. With a market value of $271,810,395, the compound cost today is 36.00 and 44 cents. With a flowing inventory of 7,469.6657 comp and a 24-hour exchanging volume of 11,640,240 comp, we should look at the cost expectation for the next couple of years. Compound value expectation 2023 based on past value information and coin cost estimate. The value of cryptocurrency in 2023. The peak cost will be 78.78, while the base cost may be 32.43. The average cost is expected to be around 55.60 if you invest money into the compound token at exactly the right time. Fair benefits. Since crypto's worth is merely expected to develop compound crypto value expectation 2024 as per the compound projections, the coin may exchange between the range of 66.64 cents to 95.93, where 66.64 cents is the base cost and 95.93 is the highest cost at the same time. We predict that the coin will have a usual cost of 81.29 compound coin value forecast 2025. Based on our crypto cost assumption. The coin will see an ascent of around half in the entire year. It will exchange from the expected low of 81.88 to the highest degree of 117.87 in the entire year. The coin will have a typical exchanging cost of 99.88 comp value forecast 2026. Based on our compound gauge, we anticipate that the coin should have increased by more than 70 the base. And most extreme costs are expected to be 101.69 and 146.39 individually concurrently. The typical cost of the coin might be around 1, the year's total cost. Maybe around 145, turning into a wise bet. Comp Crypto Value Prediction 2027 based on our compound coin cost expectation. The Symbolics future is splendid. Comp's cost is expected to be around 128.41 and 184.85, where the previous is a possible low and the last option is a possibly high incentive for 2027. In examination, the typical cost might be 156.63 with an expanded market cap. Compound expectation 2028 based on our compound prediction. The coin could contact 235 before the current year is over with a 545 rise. The base and usual costs are estimated to be nearly $163.36 and $199.27, respectively. 2029 coin value forecast. Our compound expectation data shows that the resource cost will rebound well and arrive at near its half based on our compound cost expectation. According to our cost estimate compound value forecast 2030, the most extreme cost of comp is expected to be around 275.34, while the base and typical costs may be around 191.26 and 233.30. Exchange of comp will continue to pour everywhere, and with its ups and downs, most would agree that cash might actually hit the maximum of 354.88 before this decade ends in 2030. Based on our estimates, it might have a basic price of 246.52 cents in 2030. In view of our expectation lens, crypto cost expectation 2030 is compound crypto a smart venture. The compound comp is a fascination for those looking to make money efficiently with savvy alternatives running from supplying crypto advances and gaining revenue to earning huge profits.